So question. So if I'm a consumer, we'll start on the consumer side. If I'm a consumer and I want to sell my data,
Yes.
what is the best way for me to do that through your platform?
So the best way to do it through a platform is we have these things called data packets.
Okay.
And these data packets will sit underneath your bids tab in the application. And what they do is they're all these little slivers of your total identity that I was talking about, right? Just little slivers. I know little slivers are funny. It's all these little pieces.
I just picture like all these people with all this little data, you know, almost like how you look when you map out DNA.
Yeah, sure.
It's kind of the same thing.
Yeah, it's the deoxyribo of our digital identity.
Right.
So in the application, we have all these categories that specific pieces of information are going to nest under.
Right.
Okay. So like in your house is going to hold certain items.
Right.
Each item has a story.
Right.
That's what these data categories and data packets do. You'll go into the application.
Right.
You'll choose the data category you want, and then inside that, you're going to have lists of packets, the information that people are looking to buy.
That makes sense, right?
You're going to go in and you're going to fill out the pieces of information that it's asking for as truthfully, honestly, and accurately as you can, because in doing so, it'll return the highest value for you. And then once you're doing that, you save and publish your info, and now at that point, it is ready to be purchased on the exchange.
And Tartle handles that part.
We handle that part.
Because, you know, as a consumer, I'm thinking, you know, I would just like to browse on the internet and I'd like to sell my data. Yeah, that's cool in certain areas.
Sure.
But at the end of the day, I don't want it to be extremely complicated.